Worried about inflation eating away at your savings? Or the dollar losing strength? These red flags often point toward one timeless solution: precious metals. When the economy shows cracks, whether it's rising inflation, heavy government debt, or a weakening dollar, investors often turn to gold and silver. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that during the 1970s and 1980s, when inflation soared into double digits, gold rose more than 1,000%. And during the 2008 financial crisis, gold again climbed over 100%. The guide also shows how leaving the gold standard made the US dollar a fiat currency, which is vulnerable to devaluation. Precious metals, by contrast, can simply be printed. This helps explain why they have held steady as a store of value through countless crises. Understanding these warning signs helps you see when it may be the right moment to consider precious metals for added protection. I've linked this guide in the description. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Setup and Pricing Information and Silver Scheme Report. It's designed to give you practical, beginner friendly insights for protecting your retirement savings. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free and learn how to recognize economic warning signs and how gold and silver can help you prepare. Just follow the link under this video to get started.